good day, Ma'am Jovelyn. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hi, good day. My name is Jovelyn Olarte Morado. 29 years old. I live in Arnedo, Bolinao, Pangasinan, Philippines. My mother's name is Delita Morado and my father's name is Joseph Morado. My father is a shoemaker and my mother is a housewife.
Okay,
Um,
thank you. And then, where do you live?
um, Bolinao is Arnedo, Bolinao, Pangasinan, Philippines.
Okay, so do you have any brothers or sisters?
I am the second eldest among the siblings, four brothers and two sisters.
Okay, so what is your educational background?
I am a high school graduate.
Okay, thank you. And then, how would you describe yourself?
I am honest, trustworthy, hardworking, and multitasking.
All right, thank you. Then, do you have any work experience abroad?
No, this is my first time working abroad.
Okay, so do you have any work experience as a helper here in Philippines?
Uh, yes, I have a experience in the Philippines for a family of four, which include husband and wife, two children, 2 years old and 5 years old.
Okay. So for how many years?
2 years
So,
start October 18, 2019 and December 18, 2021.
okay. So did you finish your contract?
Yes.
So please tell me your duties and responsibilities as helper here in Philippines.
My main duties and responsibilities are cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, laundry, and taking care of children, take care of their pets, and take care of them.
All right, thank you. Then are you willing to take care of small children, newborn baby, or elderly person abroad?
Yes.
Okay. So are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
So do you drink alcohol?
No, I'm
Okay.
not
So
drinking.
do you have any history of surgery or serious sickness in the past?
No, I don't
Okay.
have.
Okay. So do you smoke?
No.
So do you have any body taboo?
Yes, two tattoo in my breast part, not visible.
Not visible. All right. So do you have any food allergy?
No, ma'am.
So for the last question, Ma'am Jovelyn, what is your final message to your future employer abroad?
This is my first time working abroad. I hope you pick me and see you soon and God bless. Thank you.